Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda CR-V gas tank. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the exact steps can save you time and hassle at the pump. We'll start by finding the internal release, then move to the exterior fuel door. Many modern CR-V models feature a convenient capless fuel system, which we'll also cover. Let's get your CR-V ready for its next fill-up. To begin, ensure your CR-V is in park. Then, look down by your left foot, near the floorboard or the lower part of the dashboard on the driver's side. You'll find a small lever, usually marked with a gas pump symbol. This is your fuel door release. Give it a firm pull upwards, and you should hear a slight click as the exterior fuel door unlatches and pops open just a little bit. Now head to the rear driver's side of your Honda CR-V. The fuel door, which you just unlatched, will be slightly ajar. Simply pull it open fully. For many newer CR-V models, you'll notice there isn't a traditional gas cap to unscrew. This is a capless fuel system. Just insert the fuel nozzle directly into the filler neck. Once the tank is full, the nozzle will automatically click off. Wait about 5 seconds before removing the nozzle. If your fuel door doesn't open, first confirm all your CR-V's doors are unlocked, as some models link the fuel door to the central locking system. If it's still stuck, look for a manual release cord, often yellow, located behind a small panel in the cargo area. For capless systems, if you need to use a gas can, locate the special funnel usually found with your tire repair kit. Remember, keeping your tank above 1/4 full helps maintain your fuel pump's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.